So here we have our setup. We have the heptane with a pipette, about 5 mils or so. We have MTBE, it's about 6 mils in a pipette. We have the column that we made just a little while ago. And then we'll put watch glass 1 underneath. You can follow along from the step-by-step procedures that's listed in your lab manual. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to start the column with heptane. You want to keep pipettes very vertical in this experiment. Tilt it and then liquid tends to drip out. So you can see there's heptane at the top and it's about halfway down the column. Now I'm watching to where the heptane drops into the sand. Then I want to add all of the ferrocene, acetylferrocene mixture dissolved in methylene chloride to the top as much as I can all at once. Once that is dropping down into the sand, I'll continue with the heptane. The heptane will selectively pull those materials down the column. Now, you'll see there's a tiny bit, little bit of material still in here, so I lost a little bit of that ferrocene, acetylferrocene back in here. You can't get it all out. Keep adding heptane. Liquid is starting to come out the end. So that is clear liquid. So we continue adding heptane. Now look carefully. You can see this is white. This is yellow. This is a little bit of white in between. That's actually important. That will show if we have separation. And then we have orange back here. So this is all still heptane going into watch glass 1. Now you can see a little more distinct. White, yellow, white. The yellow is getting into this region. The yellow will soon be dropping onto, there we go, onto watch glass 1. We're going to continue. Adding heptane until all of that yellow band is out. So the yellow band is here. You can see it dripping there. Good separation. You want it yellow, then white, and then orange. So here I've sped up the video timing to twice what it normally is. You can see the separation faster. Now it looks like all the yellow is out. Remove watch glass 1. I let it drip into watch glass 2. I'm going to switch the solvent. run, not on, there's still heptane in there, but we're gonna increase the polarity of the solvent to MTBE. So MTBE is more polar than heptane, so it has a stronger elution, stronger affinity for the material, stronger eluting power. So it will pull the orange through the column. That orange is the acetylferrocene. So you'll notice there's some little crystals that are forming on the tip. So we will this is MTBE. Just push some MTBE down the outside, kind of like windshield wiper fluid. It should, yep, dissolve those. See just the last little bit of color is coming through there. So we're almost done. So now it looks like all of the color is gone. So all that is coming through is MTBE. I'm going to raise it. I'm just going to collect any other that drains out in this glass. I'm going to remove watch glass 2. So running the column has now been complete. For this experiment, we are going to analyze both fractions using TLC. We'll be looking for purity and identity, and then we'll get a mass of both of those fractions to calculate percent recovery.